Hello everyone and welcome to NLTI. If you are preparing for CLAT, one really important thing that you definitely should know is that what NLU you should be aiming for. And you will get to know about the same if you know about the ranking and reputation of each NLU. That's why we are here today. I am going to tell you in this video what all NLUs we have in this country and what all different rankings they hold. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first things first, in India currently we have 26 national law universities. Out of these 26 national law universities, 25 are accepting CLAT, while there is one university, National Law University Delhi, NLU Delhi, which accepts ALET. It has a separate exam called ALET. So your rank and your marks in CLAT is going to decide if you are eligible to get a seat in these 25 NLUs, while your rank and your marks in ALET is going to decide if you are eligible to get a seat in NLU Delhi. Now, these 26 NLUs are very different in rankings, different in position, and all of them have different value. So in your CV, in your career, having a good reputed NLU can change everything. And that's something which we are going to understand. Not all NLUs are same, right? And it has been divided into different criteria on different bases. Now let us understand it in detail. First of all, let us understand the establishment time of each NLU. It is important because you get to know about the quality of legal education, about the faculty, and overall exposure and experience that you will get there as a student. Let's get started. NLS Bangalore is the premium, is the topmost NLU in the country. It was established in the year 1987. Then Nalsar Hyderabad, it was established in 1998. NUJS Kolkata in 1999, NLU Jodhpur in 1999 again, NLU Gandhinagar, GNLU Gandhinagar in 2003 and HNLU Raipur also in 2003. Then in phase 2, we had more NLUs, NLU Lucknow in 2005, NUALS Kochi in again 2005, RGNUL Patiala in 2006, CNLU Patna in 2006, NLIU Bhopal. It was established in 1997, but it has expanded and matured later in the second phase, right? Then NLU Odisha in 2009 and NUSRL Ranchi in 2010. Then proceeding ahead with the third phase. In the third phase, we had MNLU Mumbai in 2014, MNLU Nagpur in 2016, HPNLU Shimla again in 2016, DSNLU Vizag, which was established otherwise in 2008, but it got functionally matured later in the third phase. TNNLU in 2012, NLU Agartala, NLU Tripura Agartala in 2022 and NLU Prayagraj in 2020. Let us now understand about the placement data for each NLU. It is going to help you to understand your target NLU and what your career can actually look like if you get a degree from that specific NLU. Let's get started. So the tier 1 NLUs, starting with NLS Bangalore, the average student package, average placement package is 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. For Nalsar Hyderabad, it is 14 to 18 lakh per annum. NLU Delhi, it is 12 to 18 lakh per annum. NUJS Kolkata, 12 to 16 lakh per annum. NLU Jodhpur, 12 to 15 lakh per annum. GNLU Gandhinagar, 10 to 14 lakh per annum. Now coming to the tier 2 NLUs, NLIU Bhopal, average package is 8 to 12 lakh per annum. HNLU Raipur, 7 to 12 lakh per annum. NLU Odisha, 6 to 11 lakh per annum. RML NLU Lucknow, 6 to 12 lakh per annum. RGNUL Patiala, 5 to 8 lakh per annum. Now, moving ahead to the tier 3 NLUs. So the average package for tier 3 NLUs is 4 to 8 lakh per annum, and the fairly new NLUs which are established in 2020 or after that, the average package is 3 to 6 lakh per annum, and there is high variation in the same. Now let us understand how we have classified NLUs based on the placements, cutoffs and alumni strength. So whenever we talk about top 3 NLUs in India, we talk about first of all NLS Bangalore at number 1, Nalsar Hyderabad at number 2 and NLU Delhi at number 3. And if we talk about top 6 NLUs, Continuing, we have NUJS Kolkata, NLU Jodhpur and GNLU Gandhinagar. Now, proceeding ahead with the Tier 2 NLUs, we have NLIU Bhopal, HNLU Raipur, NLU Odisha, NLU Lucknow and MNLU Mumbai. In Tier 3 NLUs, we have NLU Nagpur, NUALS Kochi, CNLU Patna, RGNUL Patiala and DSNLU Vizag. In Tier 4, which is your new and developing phase of NLUs, there is HPNLU Shimla, TNNLU, NLU Tripura, RPNLU Prayagraj and GNLU Silvassa. Now let us understand what NLU can you bag based on the rank that you have. So if you have achieved a rank between 1 to 100, right, you can get top 3 NLUs. If you have rank between 100 to 400, you can get a seat in top 6 NLUs. If you have a seat within 400 to 1000, you can get a tier 2 NLU. If you have bagged a rank between 1000 to 2000, then you can bag a seat in tier 2 or tier 3 NLU. If your rank is above 2000, then you can bag a seat in tier 3 or tier 4 NLU. Moving ahead, let us understand some key observations that we have found through a research done on these NLUs. So top 5 to 6 NLUs, they dominate tier 1 law firms. So if you really want to get a placement in tier 1 law firm of India, then you should aim for top 5 to 6 NLUs. Now, there has been a sharp drop after tier 2 in placement consistency, right? They cannot guarantee you a placement. New NLUs, they do not have great recruiters at this point of time. Also, the alumni strength is not great. One really important point that the peer quality, it is quite strongly correlated with the CLAT ranks. Higher the rank or better quality of rank will make sure that you have better peer around you. And very important but highly ignored, that the age of the institution is also directly impacting the opportunities that you can get. So finally, what do you have to take away from this video? That there are 26 NLUs in India currently, and only top NLUs are going to give you best of the results. And top NLUs here, we mean around 5 to 6, around top 5 or top 6 NLUs, right? And then we only have around 10 to 12 NLUs which are viable with effort. And in the remaining NLUs, you can get a seat, but your future will depend more on how much effort you are going to make during your entire law school journey. So I hope you found this video useful and you are going to use these insights in your preparation journey as well. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.